Hello, I'm Chynna Haynes and welcome to This Week in Barbados. We're in the beautiful parish of St. Andrew and we are standing behind one of two lakes at Walker's Reserve. So Walker's Reserve used to be a sand quarry. It is now a place of beauty and diversity. Come with us as we learn more about Barbados and what we have to offer beyond the beaches. Towering trees, colourful flowers, and winding walking trails now stretch across hundreds of acres at Walker's Reserve in St. Andrew. But beneath the beauty lies an extraordinary story of restoration. Years ago, this was an active sand quarry, stripped of much of its natural vegetation. This reserve now stands as one of Barbados' leading examples of ecological rehabilitation. We sat with ecologist Micah Joseph, who was the tours and programming manager.
Walker's is a former sand quarry. We've been mining for silica sand for 60 plus years. And now we're transforming this amazing 277 acre space into a regenerative landscape, a laboratory of climate resilience, and a space where people can come and really connect and reconnect with nature through walking experiences, viewing birds, different wildlife, interacting with bees, having different food experiences as well. So it's really a space of community and where people can come together.
The restoration didn't simply involve planting trees, as it required rebuilding ecosystems, improving soil health, and creating habitats capable of supporting wildlife while making the space unique.
So this project is unique because it is, number one, it's located on the rugged east coast of the island. Number two, it is a very transformative process. We're taking an extractive industry, we're taking a silica sand quarry and transforming it into this luscious regenerative landscape that people can come and really enjoy and immerse themselves in nature. So that in itself is extremely unique because based on what we've seen, we haven't seen anything like this throughout the entire Caribbean region.
Visitors can explore scenic walking trails, learn about conservation efforts, observe wildlife, and experience firsthand how sustainability is being put into practice. For schools, families, and tourists alike, Walker's Reserve has become both an outdoor classroom and a destination for recreation.
Families come here, couples come here, singles come here, many different people come here, locals come here, tourists come here. We want to create that sense of community between everyone so that everyone can interact with each other and interact with nature. We have a beautiful open-air education center. We usually partner a lot with the University of the West Indies, Arizona State University, University of Oregon, and other universities. And they use that space as an open-air classroom. It's a beautiful space. They do lots of studies here, whether they study on the sand dunes, they do archaeology here, they do primatology here. So we focus a lot on education as well and partnering with the youth.
As Barbados continues to place greater emphasis on climate resilience and environmental sustainability, projects like Walker's Reserve demonstrate what can be achieved through long-term restoration and careful stewardship. It is also helping to educate a new generation about the importance of protecting natural resources.
One of our major practices is our wetland restoration. So within Long Pond, we actually just asked some farmers within the Belle Plaine area to move their cattle from grazing within certain areas of Long Pond, and through that we started to see mangroves popping up. Mangroves are so essential for climate resilience because they sequester the most carbon. Other benefits for them is that they provide nurseries for fish and crustaceans, which supports the community because a lot of the Belle Plaine community go crabbing within Long Pond as well. So there are over 10 different species of crabs that they actually catch and harvest, and they have a full crab night in August, I believe it is. It's a full festival that they have as well. So that supplies them as well. So we are many different aspects that focus on climate resilience here for us.
From a sand quarry to a thriving natural sanctuary, Walker's Reserve is showing that even landscapes altered by industry can be restored. It's a reminder that conservation is not only about protecting what is left, but also about rebuilding what was once lost. Thank you for joining us for this episode of This Week in Barbados.